In this video, we're going to show you how we framed this scarf in this beautiful ornate silver frame. We initially mounted the scarf onto a mat board, and then we attached the mat board to a fabric mat like you see. And then if you can see here at the corners, these are called spacers. So what they do is they keep the glass away from the scarf. So there's about an inch space, maybe 3/4 of an inch space between the scarf and the glass, and that would keep it away. So initially when we started, the frame was short, and I'm going to show you here. So we didn't have enough room to accommodate that little space to keep the glass away. So what we did is we added a second frame here. I'm going to show you the finished product here. Now you can see here. But what we did is add a second frame to the back, matching color. It's not 100% matching. It will be very close. And then we screwed it like you see here in the back of the frame. It's glued and screwed, so it's very strong. And then what we did is line both of these frames, the thickness of the frames, with the spacer. Well, first you get the glass. So we're using our invisible glass in here. You can't really see the glass here. And then we use the spacer, and then we mounted the frame, the mat that the scarf is on, onto the fabric mat, and it came out pretty good. So I'm going to show you some close-up of the work we did on this here. So this is what we did on the table saw. So you can see we're removing the lip of the back frame. So the back frame had a little lip. We had to remove it in the table so you can see it here. And then we screwed it and glued it to the back, clamped it, and then we got this nice final product.